Alright, this is TJ from Fat Boy's Garden. Just giving you an update here. I've been going on an assignment now for about 7.5 weeks. I'm back home. And, well, I'll let you see. I was really hoping that my wife would get adapted to gardening, but she didn't. She tried. But nobody can tend your garden like you can. These are the tomatoes that I planted, and we got some fruit on them, and they really should have been red by now. But I did just pick one off of there. And as you can see, the zucchini squash is non-existent. The tomatoes are there. I had 2 that I planted a while back. A 3rd one that I planted. And well, it just never really grew much tall. Didn't even grow taller than the cage it's in. Over here are the cucumbers that I planted. Not sure which ones came up because I had some seedlings that I planted. And then I planted some seeds. So this bed should have been overrun with cucumbers. But as you can see, this is what I've got for cucumbers. Over here with some more cucumbers that I planted. Those are visibly dead. So those are done. Over here was my strawberries. And my wife took the cages off that I had to keep the squirrels out, thinking that they really couldn't grow as much. And this is what we got. So we know what's getting ready to happen with this bed. It's getting ready to come out of here. I'm gonna get that bed over there cleaned up. This one's gonna be, I'll probably leave that one, but this one's gonna be cleaned out as well. Over here is where I planted watermelon and sweet potatoes. So as you can see, the watermelons never did come up. That's what we got for watermelon. And that's what we got for sweet potato. I'm going to leave them alone in hopes that they'll sprout something, but we're going to see. And looks like up here I had it all nice and clean and raked up. So it looks like I need to clean this again. And I've got these vines here growing all over the place. So I'm going to get up here and get all of this cleaned out again. But this is the results of me being gone for 7 weeks. Things are just a little bit overgrown, but that's okay. It's manageable. I had it pretty much cleaned out before I left in anticipation of going on an assignment. So right now I'm only home for about a week, and I'll be gone again. Not sure how long this assignment is going to last, but the garden will be in better shape now when I leave. So we're going to get this all cleaned up, and then we'll see what's going to happen next, because I still got my lower bed to go and my tomatoes to go. That's it for now.